Orbitype allows you to visually explore each connected database. Upon selecting it in the drop-down up here, you will be shown a selection of tables. In this example database, we have 3 tables, one for articles, one for comments, and one for tags. Click on one of the tables to open it up. You will then be presented with a list of the rows within. Here we have one article already created, titled Lorem. Click on a row to switch to the detail view. Here you can edit each property of the row, including, in this case, the title, the content, a published boolean, and a created at timestamp. After you're done changing the data, click Save to update it in the database. Use the breadcrumb on the top to return to the overview. And using the context menu in the top right, you can easily create new entries. The new entry was created here and appears at the top. Click on it to open it up and fill in the data. You can also delete existing items by clicking here on the right side to open a context menu and choose Delete. Finally, to duplicate an existing entry, you may also use the context menu and choose Duplicate.